Alright, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 1.
Which part of your country do you like to live in?
Currently, I am living in a small town of my country that is far away from a big city. But my grandparents live in Islamabad. That's the
This
capital.
answer is irrelevant. The question is,
Which part of your country do you like to live in?
do you like to live in?
I
Now,
like-
where you live, that is not the answer. Where your grandparents live, that is not the answer.
Okay.
Part of country where you would like to live. So please answer again.
I
Which
like-
part of your country would you like to live?
I like to live in Islamabad. That is the capital city of my country, and because that city is clean and drainage system is too much improved. Than the other cities as comparative to other cities.
As compared to other cities.
As compared to other cities, and as well as my grandparents are from Islamabad, so I want to live with them after my graduation.
Okay, that's good. This is better. Carry on.
What makes you feel proud of your country?
My country is a civilized country, and that is full of historical, and that is with history. And my country got freedom on 14th of August 1947 by the untiring efforts
The question is, what makes you feel proud of your country? So there should be
Okay.
a couple of quick points to answer the question. As you give extra detail, your answer will become irrelevant.
There are
so that's
there
okay.
are
That's
many
okay. Now
historical
stick to
monuments in my
stick to the
countries.
main
Okay.
topic and answer accordingly. Okay?
sir.
Yeah, whatever it is. One last question.
Will you stay in your country in the future?
I will go abroad for higher studies, and after that I will come to my country to serve my nation, and I will live there.
Okay, now all three sentences are separate. There is no connectivity. Mainly you are making simple sentences. So try to focus that as well. Compound sentences will bring you better pen score. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, sir.